inward tongue zipper, inspired by Elisii. For this sound, we start from the lip roll sub-bass position. Now, hold this position and place your tongue as a substitute of your bottom lip. Next step, perform a lip roll sub-bass with your tongue. Then, inhale air through the hole created by the previous step and drag your tongue until the hole is closed. Bonus step. To create a back and forth effect, perform an inward kick with the same position and place the zipper afterward. Yeah, that was very good. Time to beatbox with your new sound.
Yep.